Hello, beautiful. Today I am going to show you a quick face routine with the Myolift Mini. Now this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. So I'm going to show you my quick routine. Now with the Myolift, I'm going to use the gloves because when you use the gloves, you don't have to put any gel on your face. I am going to, now there's two modes. There's educate and erase. And educate is for the muscles. So educate gives a jolt to exercise the muscles. The erase mode fills out the line, so it's more like a massage mode. But this is a quick tutorial because I am going out tonight for a birthday party and I want to have my face have a little lift. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use the erase mode. I am going to use the educate mode on level 2 on my neck and on my lower face. And on my upper face, I'm going to use educate level 1. Now, in educate level 2, I'm going to put it all the way up to 400. Now, first what I'm going to do is spray my face. This is just a hydraulic acid face spray. I got this at like Burlington or somewhere, or maybe TJ Maxx. And I'm also going to use some rose water because I love rose water. Now, you don't have to do this because you don't have to do this for the Myolift. I'm just going to be doing it because I'm first going to give myself a facial massage. Now, I'm also going to use some hyaluronic acid serum. I also got this serum at like either TJ Maxx or Burlington. It's just a little cheapy. You can use any. The hyaluronic acid serum keeps in the moisture. And now I'm going to spray my face with just plain old tap water and my neck. Now, if you guys have seen the Sephora face gem that for some reason is super expensive, all it is just like one of these little stress balls. Now, you know, these little stress balls are cheap. I got this one free at the Navy base. But you can use this to give your face a massage. Now, whatever you do, do not press hard because you don't want to stretch the skin. That's not what we're trying to do. But you just loosen it up. So you just put your hand, keep a flat hand so that way you can't press hard. And just kind of get the muscles going, get the blood flowing. I'm also going to use this facial massager. And like I said, don't press hard. Now with the Myolift gloves, you have to put some latex gloves on underneath. This is what the Myolift machine looks like. And I am going to start on level 2. And the intensity is going to be 400. I know the sound, huh? And I really like the microcurrent, but make sure when you use microcurrent, you don't go near your thyroid right here. And also don't use microcurrent unless you talk to a doctor, because if you have thyroid issues, if you have a pacemaker, heart issues, you cannot use this. Also, too, if you have Botox or fillers, I would ask my doctor, too, about that because, you know, how it might affect the Botox or fillers. Now, the gloves protect your hands from feeling the microcurrent. Okay, hold one hand back here and move the other one. 3, 4, 5. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do it going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold my face back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold my chin. 2 fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right here, my marionette lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to put it on Educate Level 1, and the intensity is 175. So I'm going to hold this crow's feet right here. 1, take 2 fingers, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just gently squeezing the middle of my eyebrow together. Then for my forehead, I'm gonna hold this eyebrow up. 1, 2. I'm gonna yeah, let's do this the other way. Okay, hold this up, hold this eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that is it for my quick little Myolift Microcurrent facial for when I'm just going out. Now, I started off doing it, I started 5 times a day, 5 times a week for like the first 3 weeks. And then now I just do it every, I just do it every week, maybe once a week, maybe even sometimes 2 times a week. And I also use the New Face and the Myolift, and I do like both of them, but I like the Myolift with the gloves because the gloves is easy and I don't need any products or anything. I can just hurry up and do a quick facial. Let me know if you guys ever want to see me do a full microcurrent facial. Thank you, and remember, like I said, life is too short to look the same every day. Bye-bye.